Hi guys, today we will be reviewing the KD Lynx X1 dashcam. KD Lynx X1 is a dashcam by KD Lynx Electronics, which is one of the leading consumer electronics products companies located at Atlanta. The X1 dashcam is priced at $399.99 and we will be rating the pricing of this dashcam a score of C. The sales package for this dashcam includes dashcam, user guide, CD with software for GPS function, micro SD card adapter, windshield suction cup with GPS module, suction cup without GPS module, 8 GB micro SD card, cigarette car charger with cable, power cable, and a micro USB cable. The X1 is a sleek, compact, and lightweight device that features a 2.7-inch screen. The camera can be turned at 360 degrees in any direction. It can be of a great utility if the driver wants to record certain situations, like when an officer or any other individual on the side of the cab or a vehicle by the vehicle side. It can also be used as a webcam when plugged into a computer device. We will be rating the design of this dashcam a score of B+. The X1 dashcam comes with a relatively inconspicuous and easy to adjust suction mount for installation. The sales package includes two mounts, one with a GPS module and another without it. The interface may be a little intimidating for some users as the on-screen interface is extremely icon heavy, which makes the navigation quite difficult. For installation, the user may have to constantly refer to the user manual. The users found the installation process quite complicated one. Also, the X1 dashcam mounts a little lower than most dashcams, making it a little less discreet than required. We will be rating the installation process of this dashcam a score of C. The X1's battery can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. It would have been of more utility if it could last a little longer than a mere 60 seconds. The USB power port on the dashcam makes up for the battery shortfall. Hence, we will be rating the battery on this device a score of C. The X1 records as soon as the driver turns on the ignition. It records at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The videos are clear and crisp and one can read the vehicle number plates at a distance of 10 to 20 meters. The video captured by the X1 dashcam is quite good, however, it is not the best. The footage captured on default settings are slightly overexposed. Out of the dashcams available in the market at this price point, the X1 has the widest field of view at 160 degrees. It is a good feature on a dashcam, but unfortunately it also causes the fisheye effect on the videos. This can be tackled using a defisher filter in the video software like the defisher. Videos captured in the daytime fares well. For the ones captured in low lit conditions or during nighttime, the night vision feature produces satisfactory video output. The videos are saved in .mov format. We would be rating the video output on this dashcam a score of B-. The GPS module is built into the camera and embeds the location and related information into the video clips. By using the KD Lynx Player software that comes in the sales package, one can also use Google Maps to track the location, speed, and route of the vehicle. The GPS feature also updates the time and date information, but it has to be manually set on the X1 dashcam. The feature can also be chosen to turn off. We would be rating the GPS feature on this device a score of B+. A gravity sensor or a G sensor detects sudden acceleration or deceleration. In an unfortunate event of an accident, the inbuilt G sensor automatically detects it. The emergency lock buttons locks the video file to save it from getting erased or overwritten in the loop recording. We would be rating the G sensor on this product a score of B-. The KD Lynx X1 dashcam software is compatible on Windows devices. The interface is quite simple and easy to understand and navigate. Note that the camera can be configured without the software and hence not much is needed in the application. The application has a feature to play the recordings, check average and maximum speed, location at the time, and length of the road ahead. We will be rating the software for this dashcam a score of B-. The X1 dashcam supports micro SD cards with storage capacity up to 32 GB. The micro USB port on the X1 dashcam is used for both power supply and transferring the captured video to a computer or a compatible mobile device. This removes the necessity for a micro SD card reader that is usually required to transfer the videos from a dashcam that use an external micro SD card. The recorded videos can also be viewed on the 2.7-inch LCD screen right inside the vehicle without having to transfer them to any other external device. We would be rating the storage on this dashcam a score of C. Now let's have a look at the pros this dashcam offers. First, wide angle lens captures the vehicles in other lanes. Second, easy software installation. Third, external emergency button on the device. Fourth, customer support. And fifth, heat resistance. Now let's have a look at the cons. First, high price point. Second, absence of touchscreen. Third, the battery is prone to warp if it is left in cab for long periods of time. The KD Lynx X1 does offers features that is useful for truckers. However, it does not justify the price point. The absence of touchscreen and a cloud-based storage, short battery life, and it being prone to warping are some of the important areas one should consider. Considering all these factors, we would be rating this dashcam a score of C.